Welcome to this tutorial on creating attributes in SAP IBP. Attributes are characteristics of master data types. For example, an attribute of the customer master data type might be country or region. Similarly, product description is an attribute of the product master data type. In this session, we will walk through the steps required to create attributes in the Attributes app. Let's begin with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Click the Create button to start creating a new attribute. Step 2. Input the correct attribute ID in the Attribute ID field. For example, you might use the ID check. Remember, the attribute ID must not conflict with existing IDs in SAP sample planning areas. Step 3. Input the correct attribute name in the Attribute Name field. For instance, the name can be IT check. Ensure the name aligns with your organization's conventions for clarity and consistency. Step 4. Provide the attribute description in the Attribute Description field. For example, the description could be IT check for IBP in minutes. Step 5. Click the Data Type drop-down to select an appropriate data type. Remember, SAP IBP supports data types like varchar, decimal, and integer, among others. Use varchar for text-based values and decimal for numeric values with decimal places. Step 6. For this example, select varchar as the data type. Step 7. Input the character length in the length field, which is required when varchar is selected as the data type in the previous step. Step 8. Confirm all fields and then click the Save button. To recap, we explored the steps to create attributes in SAP IBP, from initiating the process to saving the attribute. By following these steps, you can effectively configure attributes to support robust supply chain planning in SAP IBP. Thank you for following along.